Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make keto chocolate chip protein cookies. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 1 egg, 1 1/4 cup of Carbquik, 1/4 of some kind of vanilla protein powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then you need 1/2 cup of some kind of sugar substitute. I use the Monkfruit sweetener. Then you also need 2 tablespoons of the golden Monkfruit sweetener or whatever kind of substitute you want to use there. Then we need 1 cup of sugar-free chocolate chips, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 cup of butter softened to room temperature. So that is 1 stick. All right, first you want to preheat your oven to 350 and line a large cookie sheet with parchment paper and set that to the side. In a large bowl, we're going to beat together our butter, both of our sugar substitutes, our egg, and our vanilla with an electric mixer until they are combined. That looks pretty combined to me. So now in another bowl, I have my Carbquik, my protein powder, my salt, my baking soda, and my baking powder. And I'm just going to give that a nice whisk. That looks well combined. So now we are going to mix our dry into our wet, and be sure not to overmix this. Now go ahead and fold in the chocolate chips. I just used my spatula in my hands to get that all nice and incorporated. So now we're just going to roll this into 24 balls. And I am going to use my tablespoon cookie scoop just to help me form them. But I'm going to make sure I get all 24. My first batch of cookies is ready to go into the oven. I just rolled them all into balls. I made sure I had 24 of them to make sure I had enough. And then I just put 12 on my cookie sheet here and gently press them down because you do want them to bake evenly. So we're going to get this into our preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes. My first batch of cookies just came out of the oven, and I am going to let them sit here and rest for 5 minutes on the pan because they still will bake on this pan. I might do my next batch for 8 minutes because I feel like these are too browned on the bottom, but we'll see after they cool. Like I said, 5 minutes, let them cool. My second batch is ready to go into the oven, and I did not press these down as much. As you can see, my other cookies are pretty flat, so if you like a flat cookie, that's fine, but I'm going to see what these turn out to when I did not press them down as much. All of my cookies are out of the oven and cooled off, and they look and smell delicious. I cannot wait to see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Bye.